Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the best all-in-one AI image editor tool called Aienhencher. So here is the website, and if I go to the AI models, you can see they have many AI models here. So you will find Nano Banana, GPT Image 2, Dream 4.5, Dream 4, Fluix Context Pro, Queen Image Edit Plus, and Queen Image. So let's try all of them. So first let's go to home page, and here you can see their hot features. And let's first try with AI image editor. So I'm going to click here and then just upload my photo here. So select this photo and let's select the model Nano Banana and write a prompt here. I'm going to write a simple prompt. So I just write change the hijab color and then click on this edit photos. So it will take a little time and then our image will be ready. So within a few seconds it's changed the hijab color to blue. So now if you want to download this image, just simply click on this download icon. It will download your image to your local folder. Okay, now let's try with a custom prompt with a different image. So I'm going to upload one of my own photo and then select Nano Banana, and I'll write my prompt here. So this is the prompt. You will find the prompt in video description, and then select the aspect ratio. So I'm going to select 3:4 and click on edit. So here you can see the image is edited perfectly, and it keep the expression and same as it was in the original photo. So I think this is the best way to edit your photos automatically using AI image enhancer tool. So let's zoom it. So you can see the detail is perfect in this photo. Okay, now let's try the Fluix Context Pro with a different prompt. So I'm going to use this prompt. Also you can find this prompt in video description. So I'll select the prompt and copy, then back to the AI enhancer tool and paste the prompt here, and then simply click on edit. You see the image is edited perfectly. Now if you don't want to change your looks or your outfit, let's make some changes to the prompt. So here is the prompt, and I will change something from here. Okay, now let's copy the prompt again and replace this prompt, then again click on edit. So see the image is edited perfectly. Okay, now let's try the GPT image 2. Simply click on here and the GPT image 2 model is selected. Now upload your photo, and here you need to write your prompt. So I'm going to use this prompt and select the aspect ratio, this, and everything keep auto, then click on generate. You see the image is edited perfectly, and it's add a mustache and some beard. So if you don't want to change this kind of things, you can also customize your prompt. So if you don't want to change your hair and facial expression, then you simply delete this thing from the prompt. Okay, now again click on generate. Now the face is same as it was in my original image. So I think this model is the best for image editing. So if you want to edit your image with a AI image tool, then you definitely try Aienhencher to edit your photos. So I'm going to simply download it. Okay, now let's try with Dream 4.5 with a different prompt. So I'm going to keep the same image and let's just change the prompt. So here is the prompt, and I need to change something to this prompt. So first let's try with the original prompt, and then if we need, then we'll change the prompt. So just copy the prompt and paste it here, then click on generate again. So the image is generated, but it's got the offset or head of this photo, so we need to change the aspect ratio. So I'm going to select aspect ratio something like this 3:4 and click on generate again. So now you can see the image is almost perfect. Let's see. So it's keep the face almost same, but it's changed the expression. So I don't want to change the expression in this photo, so let's make some changes in the prompt. So go back to the prompt and let's delete something from the prompt. So if you don't want to change your expression in the photo, then you simply need to delete this smiling softly white and add a line here. Okay, now copy the prompt again and paste it here. Let's generate again. Okay, now you can see that it's keep the face expression same as it was in the original image. So if I see the image here, you can see this is the original expression and face of my image. So you can simply download it from here. So I tried Nano Banana GPT image and say dream fluix context. So you can try different type of AI image model from AI image enhancer. So I think this AI image tool is best for image editing. Okay, now let's try some different tool of AI enhancer. So if I go to home page, you will see there is so many options here. You can increase your skin texture, change hairstyle, you can animate your photos, and you can upscale. So now let's upscale a image and let's see the difference how it's work. So I just simply upload a image here and then select upscale. Click on upscale your image. So here you can see the image is upscaled. So this is the after upscaled and this is before. So if I zoom the image, you can see the difference. So this is before and this is after. So it's increase some details and upscale the image. So if you have a low resolution photo, then you can increase the quality and upscale your photo using this tool, image upscaler on AI enhancer tool. Now let's try their another tool, image remover. It will remove your photo background automatically. So if I select this model and upload the image here, so I'm going to upload this image and then select remove background. You can also remove watermarks and change background. Also you can remove any object from the photo. So I'm going to use the remove background and click on remove image bg. So here you can see the background is removed perfectly. So you can see the before and after from here. If you have an image, you need to remove the background for any YouTube thumbnails. You can use this tool to remove background of any photos. So now if you want to change the background, let me try it. So select this photo again and select the change background option and click here. So it's again change the remove the background. So now here is the option to change color. You can select a solid color as background or you can use this type of photo from here, or you can simply select any solid color. And another option is you can use your own background image by uploading from here. So I'm going to use this and simply download it from here. Okay, now let's try their another AI image generation tool. So it's called image generator. So I'm going to click here and then you can select any model from here. I'm going with Nano Banana and you can select the aspect ratio. So I'll select 16:9 and write a prompt here. So I'm going to write a simple prompt. So this is the prompt, just write a simple line here, then click on generate. So see, the image is generated perfectly. So I write a 23 years man sitting under an apple tree. You can see the apple tree and the man is sitting under here and it's added book. So the image is perfect for me. If you use Aienhencher.AI tool, you don't need to buy all of this subscription differently. You will get all of them in one place. So I think this is the best option if you are looking for an AI image tool to edit your photos or increase image resolution or changing the background, removing the background. You can definitely try Aienhencher.AI tool. You will find a link in the description. If you register with this link, you will get a discount. So just try the link in the description and try Aienhencher tool. Thank you so much for watching. This is the video for today. I'll be back with new video soon. Till then, take care.